The MQ-25 Stingray is an uncrewed aerial refueling drone that is being developed by Boeing. Here's what you need to remember. By greatly enhancing the combat radius of carrier-based fighters, the MQ-25 Stingray allows carrier fleets to project power from safer ranges. With this new refueling capability, the F-35C jet can leverage its advanced survivability and attack potential without being artificially limited by its carrier. Offensive operations that would previously be considered too risky or impractical could finally be feasible, vastly expanding the Navy's scope of possibilities against its toughest adversaries. The MQ-25 Stingray promises to bring new functionality to the F-35 fighter jet, enhancing the U.S. Navy's lethality against its great power competitors. The MQ-25 Stingray is an uncrewed aerial refueling drone that is being developed by Boeing. The Stingray can almost double the effective strike range of the U.S. carrier wing. The MQ-25 will give us the ability to extend the air wing out probably 300 or 400 miles beyond where we typically go, former Vice Admiral Mike Shoemaker told U.S. Naval Institute's Proceedings. For a sense of scale, consider that the Navy's Boeing F/A-18E F Super Hornet fighter has a combat range of no more than 450 miles. It is precisely this problem that the Stingray is designed to address. Controlled through an interlinked navigation system, the MQ-25 Stingray can deliver up to 15,000 pounds of fuel to a distance of just under 600 miles. The Navy is making arrangements for all Ford and Nimitz-class carriers to, eventually be MQ-25 capable. By greatly enhancing the combat radius of carrier-based fighters, the MQ-25 Stingray allows carrier fleets to project power from safer ranges. With this new refueling capability, the F-35C jet can leverage its advanced survivability and attack potential without being artificially limited by its carrier.